Hello everyone, I'm going to be making some chicken sausage in the air fryer. These are healthy wise, which these are healthier, hopefully. Um, no antibiotics, no artificial ingredients, all natural. So I'm going to set up the time for 350 for 20 minutes and then flip halfway. I will prepare them and I'll be right back. Hello everyone, I am back. I seasoned my meat, poked some holes into it. I did a dash of adobo, garlic powder, and sazon. I'll post that at the end of the video. And again, we're going to do 350 for 20 minutes, flip over halfway, and we'll be right back. Okay everyone, I put the sausages in the basket. I also spray some Pam. Usually it doesn't stick, but better be safe than sorry, right? So like I said, 350, 20 minutes, and flip halfway. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I'm flipping them over. 10 minutes, and we'll be right back. Okay, our chicken sausages are done. 350, 20 minutes, flip over at 10 minutes, and you're good to go. I hope you like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in the next video.